Hi everyone, I'm Franca Arshaga, Sales Associate of SMDC Team Aja Elite. Our very own Sales Director, Mr. Wildan Blanza. Okay, Sir Will, here's my question for you. What advice would you give your younger self starting in real estate?
Well, siguro, advice sa sarili ko na dapat siguro mas naging aggressive ako nung bata ako. Nag-start ako as early as sana 22, 23. No? Naging aggressive ako in terms of investment. Naging yung appetite ko sa pag-i-invest sana mas gutom ka. Ano? Kasi ngayon, nasisisi rin ako kasi bakit nag-start ako late. No, siguro yun, mas naging aggressive sana ako and sana mas naging risk taker ako during that time.